Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix unable to access a Google product. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, it comes unable to access a Google product. If you got a 3 copyright strike on your YouTube channel, your account gets suspended. So I'm going to show you how to report for this. As you can see the option over here, contact us, click on that. After that, over here you have to put your email address, and over here also email address what YouTube can contact you. So let's go for first email address. You have to copy your email address only of this ID what you have suspended and paste. Again paste, and now you have to leave a message for YouTube. You can find in my YouTube description this message, copy by my YouTube description. I have provided on YouTube description and just paste. Now first thing, YouTube channel name. Over here channel name, you have to just go and put your channel name. After that, it's difficult to get a suspended YouTube channel URL, right? So I'm going to show you how to get a channel URL also in this video. Alright guys, as you can see over here this icon, click over here, manage your Google account. After that you have to go over here. After that scroll down and hit over here till the Google. After that you have to put your password over here and click next. It will send a OTP if you have registered with your mobile number, so I will just hit send. Click next. Now what you'll do is you have to go for over here delete YouTube. You can see the icon. Now once again the same process, you have to enter your password again. After the OTP once again. And next. After that you can find this option, you have to click on your name, and as you can see over here you can just find your YouTube link. You can copy this, go back to this and paste the link. So that you have to click submit right over here, and you are all done. You will receive a email very soon, so wait for like 1 week and I hope your channel will be open. So guys, in this video it was only this. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like, share with your family and friends, and if you are having any problems, let me know in the comment section. Until then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Until then, see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye friends.
Thank you.